Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA. In today's video I'll be replanting my onions and turnips. Let's get to it. Okay, so the side is a broccoli growing where I want to put the turnips. So I'm going to pull this out, and then the turnips will go over here, and the onions will go where the turnips were. And this is the onions over here. So on my right hand side, this is the red onions. I'm not going to do that. And then this is on my left hand side is a normal shop onions that we. So I'm take the turnips out of here and put it in this side, and the onions will go here. So I'm just gonna take all those turnips out now. Okay, so here is all the turnips. So I'm gonna sort it out now by the biggest ones and the smallest ones. And the smallest ones I'll see what I can do, and the big ones I'll be planting over there. Okay, so I'm done. So this is the large, the medium, and the small. So this ones I will replant over there. This I'll put somewhere else, and the small ones I'll see what I must do. So I'm see if there's space in front for that. Okay, so I won't be taking all the onions out. I'll be taking the bigger ones out, and I'll be leaving the smaller ones like this ones over here. But these ones will come out, this over here and here. So I'll leave there. I did plant some more onions in here, so that will be coming out probably in the next week or so. Okay, so here's the onions. We're planting these ones now. Okay, so this broccoli plant is going. I'm cut it out, but I'm keep the leaves, and I'm gonna leave the tomato plant in. Okay, so here's the turnips. It's going to be planted over here. I use the Pringles jar just to make circles over here, because each onion I'm going to plant one in there, because that is about the size of an onion I want, and I don't have a lot of space. That's why I have to also do this, because I know you must spread onions about 15 centimeters apart, but I do not have enough space to do that. And this here, what I did not yet cover is the other onions, what is supposed to be growing, what will be going there. So let's plant the onions. So here's the onion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bury it until here, until where the leaves are coming out, so that the bulk will get thicker. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you want to know when is my next upload, just hit the bell icon next to the subscription button, and you will know when my next upload will be. So thank you guys for watching. Backyard out.